When working with long, complex blocks of code, it's a good practice to leave comments that explain the function of the code. This helps you remember the purpose of the code and is especially useful if a third party will be working on the same script, such as another programmer or a team of programmers. JavaScript allows for single-line or multi-line comments. In this HTML file, we have a sample of both. The first is a single-line comment represented by the double slash. It's placed above an executable JavaScript function. This means the JavaScript function will still be executed. We can see the result in our web browser. The word test is outputted using the inner HTML function. In our next example, we've prevented a line of JavaScript code from executing by converting it into a comment. You can see that we've placed the double slash in front of the JavaScript code. So for this reason, the word paragraph is not outputted in our browser, despite using the inner HTML function. If we remove the comment, the code does execute. Lastly, we have an example of a multi-line comment, and these are best used for explanations of large code blocks. To create one, use the slash and asterisk combination.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer.